Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the menu on our watch, so let's press the back button right here to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Select the settings icon and press the middle button. Here select the general settings and press the middle button. Then select pair and sync and press the middle button. Then scroll down, select paired devices and press the middle button. And here you should see the name of the phone that your watch is paired with, and we have it right here. And to unpair the phone, select the name, press the middle button, then press it to confirm, and it should say pairing removed and no paired devices. Now we can go back to watch face on our watch, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings we can tap on Bluetooth, and on the list of my devices you should see your Polar Pacer Pro. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and tap on forget device, and then close the settings. And at this point your watch is unpaired from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.